Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very good evening and warm greeting to everyone. On behalf of Bangladeshi engineers and architects worldwide, BEAWorld, it is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you all to BEAWorld webinar session number 72. Thank you for joining us today from Bangladesh, UAE, Saudi Arab, and many other parts of the world. Your presence truly reflects the spirit of global communication among Bangladeshi engineers and professionals worldwide. The topic of today's session is both timely and highly significant: smart home automation. We are living in an era where technology is redefining the way we interact with our home and daily lives. Smart home automation is no longer a luxurious, it is becoming a necessary for comfort and convenience, energy efficiency, safety and security, sustainable modern living, and so on. Today's session will help us exploring how automation systems are shaping the future of residential and building technology. It is now my privilege to introduce our distinguished speaker this evening, Engineer Abdullah Al Jannath Newaz. Engineer Newaz is a remarkable multi-talented professionality, an engineer, researcher, poet, and journalist. He is currently serving as the state-owned Essential Drug Company Limited, EDCL. He completed his BSc in Mechanical Engineering from Kuwait and later achieved MBA from Prime University, along with postgraduate training in supply chain and human resource management. Engineer Newaz has conducted significant research in the field of automation, including his published work on development of modern controlling system for room, furniture, and application, smart home automation. This research has been presented at national and international conference and received recording and recognition from the Institute of Engineers, Bangladesh IEB. In addition to his engineering contribution, he has also served as international leadership role, including work with UNESCO, World Federation of Engineering Organization, WFEO, particularly focusing on young engineers, future leaders, and engineering in capacity development. Engineer Newaz is also widely recognized for his literary achievement. He has contributed as an author and columnist in leading national newspapers such as the Daily Star, the Daily Observer, the Daily Samakal, the Daily Jugantor, and Daily News Age. He is also selected writer of International Association of Professional Writers and Editors, IAPWE, USA. Dear participants, today's session will be structured as follows: presentation and discussion 1 hour, interactive question and answer session 30 minutes. We encourage everyone to actively participate and share your question during question and answer segment. Now with the further delay, it is my great pleasure to invite our honorable speaker, Engineer Abdullah Al Jannath Newaz, to deliver his keynote talk.
Thank you.
Smart home automation This stage
Thank
is
you
yours,
very much
please.
for giving me the floor. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Smart home automation, controlling system of furniture and appliances. Professional work arises behind this word. I did my BSc in Kuwait under the supervision of first Vice Chancellor of Kuwait. In this research, two parts. One part is, uh,
Newaz, I
can
believe
you
your
hear me
sound is
now
not clear.
properly?
It's interrupting actually.
Can you hear me?
It is interrupting, stopping
Okay.
like that.
It shows some problem maybe.
Earlier it was okay.
Okay.
I think it is okay now.
What
I think it is.
what is the basic motivation of smart home automation? Increase human comfort, so improving the life standard. It also improving the life of people, do more, feel better, and live longer. To me, introduces innovative techniques and sustainable approach.
Engineer Newaz, his sound
Oh,
is not clear. Huh?
I think net
network,
issue. I think.
my broadband is okay.
Can you please?
Okay, I just give me while I'm it just give me while. Okay, let's see. Now is it okay?
Uh, just we apologize for the inconvenience happened to you. So engineers will join very soon. And start the session.
Hello, hello.
Yes, yeah, we can
Yeah, yeah.
hear
We can
you.
hear you. You can start my speaking. Hello.
Yes, I think it's
Yes, engineers, you can
Okay,
start. Yeah.
thank you.
now.
Automation. It's a environment which enables remote monitoring and management system for comfort, efficiency, and security of a smart home.
I think it is. I think it is still breaking. Maybe you can switch off your video and try. Maybe the bandwidth
Okay,
is a problem.
okay, thank you. Okay, now you can hear me properly.
I think it is
It's
better.
better now. Better. Yeah.
Better. Okay.
It is better. You can continue, I think.
Agendas of my work. The agendas are smart home revolution, core technologies, innovation, integration, history, and challenges revolution with market trend. This is a poster of my work. If this poster summary is a smart home automation uses artificial intelligence and Internet of Things and lot of technologies for the interconnected of devices and appliances, interconnected of devices, appliances, and the furniture, featured modern furniture for the convenience of uses. This is the summary of my poster. Smart home automation from static to dynamic spaces. Sometimes we use traditional furniture which is inert uh, and now it's going to be interactive and responsive system. These are the revolution of our furniture and appliances. So what are the driving forces? There is four type of driving forces for this system. First one is human comfort, Second, time efficiency. Third, energy conservation, and fourth is sustainability. Human comfort dependency and human efficiency standardize life living. Time efficiency means the role of artificial intelligence and Internet of Things providing a sustainable solution. Sustainability deals with eco-friendly living environment, and energy conservation deals with optimizing resource of the intelligent automations. Next slide. Defining smart living. There is three pillars of smart living. First one is connection, third control, the second control, and third purpose. Connection means all the devices are linked. That means HVAC or lights or appliances. Control means I'm telling you about that there is a lot of type of control, remote or automation control is the main fact. Like through phone or voice, we can control anything from a remote location. And the purpose is enhance life quality, security, and energy efficiency. This is the three pillar of this part of automation. And in the right side, we have shown something about the uh, for three pillars of the smart living. There is the smart system has some awarenesses. There is four types of awarenesses: sensors, data, artificial intelligence processing, and automated actions. These are the four steps of awareness of smart system. So, what is the foundational quadrant? There is a four foundational quadrants of smart home automation. Number one is sensors, which monitor behavior, environment, and health. Number two is internet of things connectivity, which is a communication network. Number three is actuator and automation, which execute the physical changes. And number four is artificial intelligence and data processing, which is the learning pattern and personalization. Thank you. Sensors. Sensors basically four kind of sensor can be applied here: pressure sensor, motion sensor, temperature sensor, or biometric sensors. Pressure sensor detect the pressure and weight distribution. Motion sensor evaluate the track movement and occupancy. And temperature sensor monitor environmental condition, while the biometric sensor identify the health metrics. These are four sensors which used in a smart home automation system. Internet-based Internet of Things connectivity, which is a communication network. We use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GBX, Meta to enabling a hub of communication through the Internet of Things. I'm going so fast, or should I telling slowly? Can you hear me properly? Hello.
Yes,
Yeah, you are audible clearly, but if you could go a little slower, that I think would be better.
Okay. I will be very much grateful if you ask me any question specifically the seeing the slide. Then I'll try my best to explain as per my knowledge. Thank you. I'm going for the next slide. Actuator automation and artificial intelligence and data processing. Actuators and automation. Basically, actuator means which convert any kind of energy to a physical changes, that is motorized adjustment, relay adjustment, fluid lights, etc. While the artificial intelligence and data processing are the brain. It means it learns pattern, personalizes settings, and enables predictive automation. So actuators are muscles and artificial intelligence are the brain. Artificial intelligence and data processing in smart furniture. I told it earlier that artificial intelligence and smart data processing is the brain which learns pattern, personalized settings, and it enables predictive maintenance, many automations, or predictive automations. Innovation in a smart home furniture. It is the over. It at a glance you can see here the smart furniture innovation, while all the devices are interconnected and through any and control any kind of device from any locations. Beyond static form, the rise of smart furniture. This is showing some smart furniture which are adjustable with some electronic devices like fan, coffee tray, or any other devices, which are the revolutionary furniture stage at now. Not a static but a dynamic processes. Smart beds. Smart bed have four kind of characteristics. Number one is sleep tracking. Number two is adaptive firmness. Adaptive firmness means it is a it is a capability to absorb the changes. This is called adaptive firmness. climate control, and smart alarms. These are the four characteristics of the smart bed, which is a modern technology evolutions, revolutions. Intelligent desks and tables, height adjustable, multiple functional coffee tables, charging and audio, all are interconnected in a single table. This is smart tables. Smart seating, sofa, which is very much customized. Heating and integrating audio. Everything is customized in order. The design philosophy, the aesthetic design to enhance daily living. This is the complete picture of a room where we see that every component is uh, can be uh, very much connected with electronic and mechanical devices, and we can easily, very comfortably use all those devices, which is aesthetic design for a enhanced daily living. Application, appliances integration and control ecosystem. These are for an ecosystem. There is four sections. Some section is on home automation, appliance network, centralized hubs, and intuitive user interactions. Home automation is it is the heart of home connected to appliance and control. Appliance network, that means smart control like furniture, bed, or cooling table. Centralized control hubs means role of Apple or Google Home, like such kind of platform. And intuitive user interaction means voice commands or smartphones as using any kind of command such as smartphone or voice command or any other panels. We use this kind of interaction is intuitive user interaction. I'm telling the appliances network. This is the complete uh, showcasing of a appliances network, while we see all the appliances are connected and remotely operated with a centralized hub. Can you hear me every slide and my uh, audible?
Yes, thank you. It is
Thank
clear
you.
now.
Thank you. Intuitive user interactions. It is a interaction with the with some devices like voice command, smartphone apps, touch panel, then automated routines. In the right side we have shown some samples, which is intuitive user interactions. Case study or deep dives. There is a case study on smart bed. How can we achieve a smart bed? A smart bed basically have three kind of characteristics. First one is artificial intelligence like optimization, biometric monitoring, and ecosystem syncing. Artificial intelligence optimization means advanced algorithm and continuously adapt your sleep pattern and preferences. This is the major criteria of a smart bed. Number two is biometric monitoring, real-time tracking of vital signs and sleep quality metrics. And number three is ecosystem syncing, seamless integration with your smart home devices and health apps. This is the main basic characteristic of smart bed. So basically, it's improve health and well-being. This is the major purpose. How we, if we use this aspect of smart bed, we improve our health and well-being. This case study demonstrate how smart furniture can translate passive functionally to become active partner in personal well-being, setting new standards for health focus is automation and truly user-centric design principles. It's completely customized user-friendly design principles based on challenges and solution, navigation of 100 hurdles. There is four kind of challenges and strategies that we have found in smart home automation system. Interoperability. It means a lot of platforms and lot of manufacturer. There will be a challenges for a smart home automation. Data privacy. Data privacy means protecting data information and maintaining personalization is a big challenge for smart home automation. Standardization. Establishing industry-wide protocols and standard for consistent performance and compatibility. It is a big challenges for a smart home automation system. And user-centered design, creating intuitive interface that serve diverse user needs with overhauling complexity. So user intuitive interface and diverse need with our overhauling complexity as far as we we can the complexity should be overcome by the designer, so which will be a big challenges for a smart home automation system. Deep dive interoperability privacy. The solutions are emerging standard. Some standards should be introduced, robust infrastructure, security measures should be adopted, and transparent data policies. Some data policies should be adopted properly to overcome the interoperability and privacy. Deep dive on design and adoptions. Intuitive USX, affordability, and industry collaborations. Intuitive Intuitive UX, designing interface that feels natural, require minimal learning curve, and affordability, making affordable, accessible, and broader consumer segment. Industry cooperation means bringing together engineers, designers, and policymakers to create a cohesive solution for this adoption of the smart home automation system. There is the market trends of the smart home automation system, and it has been shown that by 2027, 1.2 billion can be raised of the market goal for these sections. The future vision. What will be the future vision of this smart home is automation systems? Sustainable luxury, premium experience, and prioritizing environmental responsibility, holistic well-being, integrated health monitoring across living spaces, predictive maintenance, self-diagnostic furniture that schedules its own repairs, and anticipatory intelligence. It means systems that predict the response to needs before you express them. These are the future vision for a smart home automation system. So, what will be the conclusion of my whole slide are the future of smart furniture isn't just about the technology. It's about keeping living space and adapt to enhance the human experience in meaningful and intuitive way. So summarize summary is a meaningful and intuitive way we we can explore our day-to-day life by smart home automation. So thank you all. I'm so fast, so that's why I'm sorry. Now you can ask me any question. As far as the knowledge, I can give you the answers. Thank you. Hello.
Hello, Engineer
Thank
Mridul.
you very much. If you have any question, you can raise your question here, and our honorable keynote speaker will give you the answer. Uh, Mr. Ashraful Alam, please.
Thank you, Engineer Mridul, for giving me the floor. Thank you, Engineer Newaz, for your for good presentation. My question is that in our means houses, our houses are not having right now the intelligent or the smart furnitures. So, considering the existing situation in our nowadays houses, how we can integrate these smart systems in our houses? Let's say our houses are having, only the smart TV most probably, and the AC. What we have, the air conditioning system is a split unit which doesn't have the smart integration systems. So how this smart technology can be integrated in our normal houses like what we have now?
Thank you. Thank you for your question. Smart home automation has to number one is uh, is controlling of appliances, and number two is controlling of furniture. So if we use our smart home automation system in our traditional home place, so what we can do at first, we can use our door and window by sliding movement controlling system. It is very easier for us to use it, and the appliance can be controlled by network.
I think the voice is breaking again.
I'm okay. I am putting my video. I think you can hear me now. Are you hearing me properly?
Yes,
Hello.
it's clear
Comment.
now and you are audible. Thank you.
Okay. I'm telling that smart home automation has two segments. Number one segment is furniture control, and number two is appliances control. Appliances control can be done very easily if we use any kind of integration in your home. But in furniture control, if we use sliding door or sliding window, it can be a part of a smart home automation. So whenever we used to go folding bed or smart bed or smart sofa, then there will be new. You have to purchase a new furniture for your room decorations. So for traditional use, sliding door or sliding window can be used, which is part of a furniture. But if you use smart door, smart bed, smart sofas, you have to purchase it, and another appliances you can easily control by any kind of integration, such as like that any kind of technology. If you introduce in your home, you can control all the appliances with any remote kind of location. I'm telling you, for example, that any kind of location in it now we can see the CC footage from anywhere of the world. Understand? So such kind of technology we can use also in our home from any corner of the world. We can use or apply any kind of controlling system in our home. So we can use it remotely. I can give you my answer as per my knowledge. Are you okay with it? Okay with it?
Yes, thank you. And I want to add some points because when we work with large scale or sophisticated project in Bangladesh, where automation have to install. Actually, this type of project is really different because sometimes automation can incorporate lift, AC system, HVAC, BMS, and also it can be automated in CC surveillance also can be automated in same panel sometimes. So it is uh, actually in general practice we can do automation in very small scale. It is also possible, but it is widely used in very sophisticated advanced projects and high-end projects especially. So thank you. I had experience when I designed Bhuiabadi residence, which was architect was Dr. Architect was Professor Rafiq Azam, and at that time we used a home automation, complete automation, and also we controlled the screens. So west facade screen also we have connected with automation also. Thank you very much.
Any other question from anyone?
Yes, Mr. Reza Rahman.
Yes, thank you very much, Engineer Newaz, for excellent presentation. And I believe it is one of the trending in the whole world. And Bangladesh is very close to follow and maintain the latest technology in our house and office. So my question is that, is there any house or office fully automated? All furnitures are automated? And the second question is that what is our policy about that?
Can you
In any Rajuk or any?
can you tell me clearly? First question.
The first question, is there any, for example, mock-up or any
Okay.
house
Okay.
or office is all furnitures and all appliances are fully automated,
I already shows.
smartly automated.
I already shows that all the furniture and the appliances can be automated. Basically, the electronics and mechanical device can be control any kind of integration or artificial intelligence related device. But the furniture is, if you use smart bed, if you use smart sofas or sliding movement door or window locking system, then all the furniture can be controlled from any remote locations. I already showed it in my yeah.
Right.
Sorry. Any more questions, please?
No, my second question was it is practically
Hmm.
it is getting popularity for all appliances actually. Some fraction of the furniture, for example, AC, lift, or sliding door, we can do it.
Okay.
But for the bed,
Hmm.
dining tables, kitchen, all the appliances. So in the full automated system is what is the status of Bangladesh actually? Any home is ideally, for example, ideally this building or this
In
flat is all are operated by smart automated.
at now in
So
Bangladesh is applicable because most of the people are use the traditional furniture, and the furniture cannot be smart because we cannot integrate with the electronics or mechanical device in our furniture. But one day it will happen that responsive system will be developed, and I wish and I will see one day then someone who fully automated and any kind of remote location in the operation can be done. I'm telling you, for example, we can see any kind of CC footage from of a video camera from any corner of the world through my mobile. So such kind of application or such kind of system can be developed where we from mobile or any kind of in any location, our devices or our appliances or our furniture or our corner of the world. So already some examples is in front of you that CC footage from any corner of the world. Such kind of application will be developed soon. From any corner of the world, we can operate any furniture or appliances of our home. I think I can give you the answer as per my knowledge.
থ্যাংক ইউ। এটাতে এই কোশ্চেনটাতে আমি একটু যোগ করি, যখন আপনার মানে অটোমেশনের তো অনেকগুলো মেথড আছে এবং কি কি অটোমেশন নিতে চাই এটা নিয়ে আমার একটু কাজ করার সৌভাগ্য হয়েছিল যখন আমি কিছু হাই এন্ড বিল্ডিং ডিজাইন করি, যখন এবং ওইটাতে আমি টিম লিডার ছিলাম এবং তার মধ্যে বেশ কিছু কর্পোরেট বিল্ডিং ছিল এবং হচ্ছে যে আপনার হেড অফিস ছিল গ্রুপ অফ কোম্পানিজ গুলি, এবং হচ্ছে যে একটা রেসিডেন্সিয়াল বিল্ডিং ছিল, এটা একটা মানে খুব প্রেস্টিজিয়াস বিল্ডিং, যেটার নাম আমি বললাম ভুঁইয়াবাড়ি রেসিডেন্স। তো ভুঁইয়াবাড়ি রেসিডেন্স যখন ডিজাইন করা হয়, এখানে যেটা ছিল যে আপনার হান্টার অ্যান্ড ডগলাসের থেকে একটা ওয়েস্ট সাইডে একটা স্ক্রিন ছিল, এই স্ক্রিনটাকেও পর্যন্ত অটোমেশন করা গেছে। আর অটোমেশন করে যেটা করা গেছে সেটা হচ্ছে যে ডে লাইট হারভেস্টিং করা গেছে। সেকেন্ড থিং হচ্ছে যে আপনার লাইট অন, আপনার অটোমেটিক্যালি রুমের লাইট অন হয়ে যাচ্ছে সেন্সর ডেটা, আপনি রুমে থাকলে রুমের লাইট অন হয়ে যাবে, রুমের থেকে বের হয়ে গেলে রুমের লাইট অটোমেটিক্যালি অফ হয়ে যাবে। এগুলি আমরা বিভিন্ন জায়গায় দেখি। আপনার ফায়ার অ্যালার্ম সিস্টেমকে অটোমেশন করা গেছে ওখানে। তারপরে আপনার বিভিন্ন রকমের যেমন লিফটকে অটোমেশন করা গেছে, এইচভ্যাককে আপনার রুমে থাকলে আপনার ঠান্ডা হইতে থাকবে, রুম থেকে বের হয়ে গেলে একইভাবেই ঠান্ডা অফ হয়ে যাবে। তো এই জিনিসগুলিকে আপনার অটোমেশন করা গেছে, এটা আপনারা, এবং এটা আবার এআই দিয়েও এটাকে ম্যানেজ করা গেছে। এবং যেটা ছিল যে সিসি ক্যামেরা, এই সিসি ক্যামেরার সাথে আপনার আবার যে বাংলাদেশে যারা অটোমেশন সাপ্লাই করে ওদের আবার আপনার কল সেন্টার আছে, সেখানেও 24 আওয়ার্স কল সেন্টার থাকে। যদি কোনো সমস্যা হয় তাহলে তারা সেটা আবার অপারেট করে। এই ইয়েগুলো বাংলাদেশে এখন বেশ ভালোই আছে। এবং আগে যেটা ছিল যে এটার প্রাইস গুলো আপনার সব ইউরোপিয়ান প্রোডাক্ট ছিল, তখন এটার প্রাইস এন্ড বেশ অনেক বড় প্রাইস এন্ড ছিল। এখন চায়না প্রোডাক্ট আসার ফলে এটার কষ্ট অনেকখানি কমে গেছে। তো এতটুকু আমি প্র্যাকটিস আমাদের বাংলাদেশে প্র্যাকটিস আছে। আর আপনারা যারা বিদেশে প্র্যাকটিস করতেছেন, আপনাদের একটু এক্সপিরিয়েন্সটা যদি আমাদের সাথে শেয়ার করেন, এটা আমরা উপকৃত হব। এটা আলটিমেটলি প্ল্যাটফর্মটা তো এই কারণে করা যে দেশের ইঞ্জিনিয়ারদের সাথে প্র্যাকটিস এবং বাইরের ইঞ্জিনিয়ারদের সাথে প্র্যাকটিস, এটাকে আমাদের মানে একটা কোলাবোরেশনে আসে আর কি। তো বাইরে যারা প্র্যাকটিস করতেছেন তাদের যদি কোনো এক্সপিরিয়েন্স থাকে আমাদের সাথে শেয়ার করেন। থ্যাংক ইউ। Yes, Mr. Ashraful Alam.
Thank you, Mridul bhai, for giving me the floor again. Just it's an hypothetical thing actually. Just I was thinking, because right now we can see that the Bangladesh, specifically in Dhaka and the major cities, there are a lot of apartment buildings, like 7th floor to 10th floor, even higher, taller. So security is a big concern in Dhaka city and other areas. Currently what we see that most of the families are ordering the daily food stuffs or whatever commodities required. They're ordering them online or over phone, and they're getting delivered being at home. So is there any possibility that the building could have a centralized security system, or the automations, home automation, something like this, and it could be integrated with the major online service provider or the platforms? So they could order just giving the building address, so the building would automatically detect from where it is coming. So the delivery guy who would be coming, he could just do some scanning on the security area and deliver the items. Means what you think, it can be feasible in Bangladesh right now? What I said, I think I explained it clearly, or yeah, let me know if
Yes,
something.
it is okay. Actually,
It is
technology.
okay.
It is okay. Actually, I can answer this, and further I would like to also tell our keynote speaker to explain. In Bangladesh, I have experienced that, and there are actually with the help of China technology. We got a very cheap price everything in China price, and the technology of Europe or US. So it is possible every type of technology in automation. Actually, majority type of technology is available in Bangladesh, or the vendor can arrange any source of customized facility they can arrange. So it is very much possible in Bangladesh with smart price. So it is possible. I can call the name of Easy Group. They are doing very good in home automation. আমি জানি না এখানে ইজি গ্রুপের কেউ আছে কিনা। তো অটোমেশন ইজি গ্রুপ এবং এরকম আরো অনেকগুলো গ্রুপ, আমি স্পেসিফিক্যালি কারো নাম বলতে চাই না, এরকম অনেকগুলো গ্রুপই আছে যারা কিনা আপনার এই অটোমেশন নিয়ে কাজ করছে, এবং এই অটোমেশন গুলোকে আপনার এখন কিন্তু মানে এগুলো কিন্তু সব আমাদের হাতে নাগালে আছে। আমরা যদি কেউ খরচ করতে চাই, দুই একজন ইঞ্জিনিয়ার আই ক্যান কল দেয়ার নেম, বাট তারা নিজেদের রুমে এখন এগুলো ইউজ করছে, অটোমেশনের প্যানেল গুলোকে তারা ইউজ করছে। তো অ্যাকচুয়ালি সবচেয়ে ভালো হয় কি যে আপনি যখন বিল্ডিং ডিজাইন করবেন, ডিজাইন ফেজে যদি আপনি অটোমেশনকে ইনকর্পোরেট করে রাখেন বা অটোমেশনের অপশন আপনি যদি রেখে দেন এইচভ্যাক বিএমএস এর সাথে সাথে সাথে, তখন দেখবেন যে আপনার কিন্তু তখন অটোমেশন করাটা ভেরি ইজি। তখন আপনি এটার সাথে সিনক্রোনাইজ করাটা এবং ফার্স্টেই প্ল্যানিং হয়ে গেলে এটা আপনার ভেরি ইজি, এবং এই অপশনটা আপনারা পেতেই পারেন। এবং এখন কিন্তু আপনার যেগুলি 4 স্টার 5 স্টার যতগুলো হোটেল হচ্ছে, সার্ভিস হচ্ছে, এগুলিতে অটোমেশন একেবারে ম্যান্ডেটরি একটা পার্ট হয়ে গেছে। অনেকটা বিএমএস এর সাথে আপনার কিন্তু অটোমেশনকে এখন সিনক্রোনাইজ করে দেওয়া হচ্ছে। তো এটা নিয়ে যারা কাজ করেন তারা আরো ভালো বলতে পারবেন। আমি আমাদের কিনোট স্পিকারকে রিকোয়েস্ট করব এই ব্যাপারে আরো কিছু ডিটেইল জানানোর জন্য। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Thank you. Thank you. Basically, what can you tell me again the summary of your question? Ashaful Alam bhai, can you tell me again the summary of your question?
Yes, the question is means we have, let's say, the apartment buildings which are usually like 7 to 10 story buildings, and in those buildings, in specifically in Dhaka city, there is a security always there, on the basement or in the ground floor, and all the people living in the apartments, they are ordering foodstuffs or means daily or commodities, either through online or means using few platforms. So I'm thinking the security concern that when the delivery guy comes, so how this delivery process can be automated with the building automation system. Means can we have any specific automation system for the buildings? Let's say the building doesn't have any automation system, but can we do anything inside the building that can be integrated with the delivery system, something like this? Means can we, means anybody in Bangladesh studied the feasibility of such systems, or or how you feel if something is there, how it may perform? Means what will be the the user preference for this type of stuffs? Means it's not an it's like a hypothetical questions. Means can it be done, or what is your view on this?
Obviously, it can be done. Obviously, it can be done, but it has to be win-win situation. When a supplier provide food to a house, then he has to be give a code, and the house owner should have a code. And if the both code matches, then someone will get the supplier. So this this should be done by the supplier section and also with the consumer section. Both has to be implement some technologies. With the help of those technologies, they can easily give and take everything. Understand? Supplier and consumer both have a technology with the help of which they can give and take their commodities. And so it should be implemented in our country. I don't know at now is it implemented or not. But if the consumer think there is a customer, client or supplier think that we should introduce a technology where the delivery man goes and gives someone this is the token or this is something uh, sign of this can be commodity, this is for him. So someone will take the commodity by giving the token, by receiving the token, and can get the commodity for him. So it's already, I think it's already in our Bangladesh, our mobile app.
It is
Already
Bangladesh because the device required only a smart camera and a smart screen. So
exactly,
if
exactly. Exactly. So when we already see someone is coming and giving you that the token that this is for you, and then the consumer will come and get it from the get it from the ground floor of without taking from the the is exactly man who is delivering this product actually. So this there isn't meet. If that you seeing the camera, both supplier and consumer can giving the commodities. I think I can give you the answer. Bhai.
Yes, thank you. I got your answer. Yeah.
Yes, Mr. ESL project. I don't see his name. You can ask your question. ESL projects. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Raised your hand. He named the ESL projects. He raised his hand. Can you please ask your question?
No, 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 no.
No,
We
I
cannot
cannot hear.
hear you.
We cannot. Maybe you are muted.
Just unmute your devices, then we can hear you.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Can you hear me now?
No, no. Okay, okay, it's okay, it's okay.
It's okay now? Okay, sorry about that. Assalamualaikum, Mridul Hasan bhai and brother Abdullah. আপনার presentation শুনে খুবই ভালো লাগছে. Thank you so much, dear Mridul Hasan bhai and all facilitators in this forum. Perhaps আমি just clear করে বলি আমার কোনো question নাই. It's just simply I took the invitation from Mridul Hasan bhai to express or share our thoughts who we work abroad or international areas. Okay. So without further ado, I just wanted to share you for a brief my interest in this topic. I mean, the topic itself very what do you call very attractive and welcoming. Who doesn't want to say smart home these days? We all wanted to have a smart home. I actually every day dream for a smart home technology and so forth. But quite often we bogged down by the technology interactions, isn't it? Integrations. 1 minute, one thing, the second minute, what Brother Ashraf Bhai was saying is a security threat. Whether should we allow a dispatcher of a parcel should go up in the 7th floor and wander around who they could be, problematic or not. But a central system for receiving a parcel in downstairs or so in the entrance of the building could be integrated into part of the smart home automation. Yes, we have this many different aspects in UK or Europe, with the bank cards and many parcels, they come with a brilliant lock-off system and so forth. By all means, I perhaps actually wanted to see Brother Abdullah Bhai is a mechanical engineering context. There are so many integrations that we can adopt. But one after another, there will be endless issues like this digital Wi-Fi or Cat5. These days is Cat6 actually. I had one project for Cat6 integration of networking in the building because some of the Wi-Fi is so easy to intercept for the security breach. And I read Brother Abdullah Bhai also shared a slide. There is a GDPR or more further what do you call innovation in there for the data sharing, perhaps security concern there. So going forward, what do you think, Abdullah Bhai? Is it something we're going to be manage ourselves very easily, or would there be a biggest threat that if someone would actually open a Wi-Fi and break into the CAD or their Wi-Fi system and get into the personal data breach security threat, or someone would actually explore their personal photo book, bank book and everything? Do you think that's something would be much more a potential threat for people, or as a virtual buildings these days? Everyone's buildings is a part of a virtual office these days. What's your suggestions and what should we watch out for? Abdullah Bhai, are you there?
I think he's disconnected.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, he possibly have this internet issue.
Hello,
Okay.
hello.
Abdullah, are you back? Okay, great. Thank you. Yeah.
Hello.
I was actually trying
Bhai,
to reach
can
out
you
to
please?
you.
I understand your question. Can you tell me the summary of your question again, please? I was network is problem. That's why I was
Basically,
busy.
I'm concerned about the potential threats. If all of us now, smart home is like become our second office, a virtual office, where we at any time open numerous systems, numerous personal data hubs like photos.
Obviously,
So
obviously,
what's
there
your
is a lot of.
suggestions to be aware with?
See, I'm telling that there are four major challenges in smart home system. The big challenge is data privacy. Cyber security is one of the biggest challenges in these cases. So, appropriate cyber security has been done to for the optimization use of this smart home system. Another problem is standardization and interoperability, which is depending on the platform manufacturer or varies. So, analyzing all of this problem, we have to uh, provide a explanation, and by missing thing is that human knowledge and can guide us for the proper way. And if you allow a technology, there will be some problem and there will be some benefits, but appropriate human knowledge and human thinking will guide us the appropriate way for resolving the all kind of complexity. Understand, bhai? Can you understand what I'm telling?
Yes, I do. So you try to do
But
convey the
but
same
but, but
reliability of
there
the
is a lot of
individuals.
problem.
Yeah.
Cybersecurity is a big problem. Data privacy is a big problem. But this can be solved by generating some technologies or any other things. Any questions
I
more,
see. I
please?
see. That's a good point of actually taking in personally individuals to learn and take that in authority to how to secure themselves. Excellent. No,
Okay.
thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, I don't have any further questions. Thank you, Abdullah, and thank you, Mridul Hasan Bhai, for a good topic to share with us.
Okay.
Thank you. Anyone have any question? I have okay, Raja Rahman bhai, please.
Okay, my last question, that is there any company providing full automation system in house or office in Bangladesh?
In Bangladesh, I heard that some of companies are trying to give automation system, but implementing smart home automation yet not established in our country, as far as I know. A complete smart home automation is a big deal, while we have to use smart sofas, smart beds, smart tables, which cannot be come to my country at now, as far as I know. So it will come in our near future, and I think in abroad, a lot of country also uses smart home, smart sofas, smart tables. But in my country, the not many more. Right?
Okay, so there is interrelated actually. So that means smart home should be considered during the design stage, right? Architecture should be involved, and all
Yeah,
other
yeah, yeah.
all other.
Yeah.
So how is it considered actually? So there is any coordination for the smart hub, or is there any specific role in the building projects that architects are
Involved here.
playing the role in the smart hub, because he's the main primary designer of any building, right?
Basically, the design is not a big deal here because what we're dealing about the appliances and the furniture. design is okay. There is no problem with the design. But the furniture and appliances can be controlled in a remote location. This is our main target. This is called a smart home. So architectural issue is not a big deal for here in here. So the thing is very important is controlling furniture and controlling appliances. I think you can get my answer. Rizal bhai?
Okay, before Ashraf, I am asking one more additional questions. So what is the popularity among the clients? For example, the building, who or the person who is going to build his house, own house. So every house owner has a own dream that his house will be dream, like all with all technologies. So how
Okay.
home automation system or furniture, smart home automation, what are you discussing? How is it popular among the house owner, and how it is expensive? For example, if we go for a normal a system without automation, and if you
Okay.
go for automation, so how is the expense difference? If you have idea, so we can know from you.
The expense, I couldn't tell you exactly what is the expense of this complete solutions, but I think every house owner need a dream house, and for a dream house, he has to be need a automation system where everything can be controlled with a remote location. And now in my country, I saw that appliances can be controlled. It's not a problem. By a remote switch, I can control any kind of appliances. Lot of companies like Alton and lot of companies also introduces lot of smart furniture appliances in our country. But in furniture, there is a big challenges. We use sliding door, we use sliding window, but in our houses, yet not we see popularly this kind of things, sliding door or sliding window. It can be introduced in our home or any office space. Office space is available. Another thing is that while sorry, while we are using a smart home, the investment should be bigger because it it is a integration of lot of things. So the budget will be big and bigger. So for a dream home or dream house, big budget is mandatory. This is my answer. Understand, bhai?
Thank you very much, engineer. Yeah. Now, so this is very good topic, and today's presentation was excellent. We hope that BEAWorld will conduct more session on this one, because this is a great things to do actually. So thank you very much, Engineer Nawaz, for a very excellent presentation. And now you can proceed for the next question.
I think Mr. Abul Kader Hussein Windy is with us. He is from Niger. Mr. Abul Kader, can you explain what type of automation you have in your country, so that we can share our knowledge among us?
So, hi
Mr.
everybody. I'm so very happy to be here in this session. So, for me, it is not a question. I want to just appreciate a good presentation for the speaker. So, thanks for all all presentation. Yes, that's what I want to say. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mr. Ashraful Alam, you raised your hand once again. Please.
Yeah, Mridul bhai, thank you again. But I would just like to have enlight few points. The Raja bhai asked a question about the design of the automation system. So because I am somewhat related to this field, so I was thinking that if I could add something here. Like what we do usually when we design a building, the architects, of course, he is the main leading the team for the design. So during design phase, we need to consider whether we will have home automation and the smart technologies in the house. Why we need to have it during the design stage? Just if I go a little further, then it's like the home automation uses different protocols for the communications. One of them is Wi-Fi. There can be like other protocols like the Cat6. We can have RS485. So there are different protocols for communications. So what happens? Of course, we all know that Wi-Fi does not need physical wiring, but the other protocols, they requires cabling. So if we want a centralized system, so we need to design from the beginning the how the cables are routed all around the buildings. This is one thing. And the second point is for the home automation, of course, we need a server, local server, where all the data will be stored, and also the functionality, the computation, everything, so where it will be happening. So we need a dedicated room for that one. And to properly function these equipments, of course, the server rooms, the computer rooms, they need to have certain room conditions. So we need to see that those rooms are air conditioned or not for proper functioning. So these are the structural things we need to consider during the very initial period of the designing. And of course, there is a substantial amount to be allocated for these systems. Yeah, it can have some impact on energy saving and other stuffs, but the initial cost will be there. So of course, we need to decide at the very beginning that whether we will have the systems, and if we have the systems, what are the systems will be and how they need to be integrated. This is one thing. And also nowadays we know that the buildings are having various sustainability requirements, namely the leads, the BEAWorld. So based on their requirements also, we need to see what are the items needs to be integrated inside the buildings. So I mean, so that is what means I was thinking that I could add in this one. Thank you.
Thank you. This is big point. I also not aware of this. Any more questions?
If the audience wants to raise his question through chat box, it is also open. If you write in chat box your question, we can answer. And our speaker is also open for answer. I think we have no more question from audience. Mr. Reza, can you tell me we can conclude the session?
Yeah. Thank you very much to all. So, okay, I believe there is a question. Okay. Yeah, Mr. Anwar, you can
Okay,
ask.
I can say my conclusion speak right.
In the middle, there is a hand raised by
There's
Muhammad
another
Anwar.
question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anwar Hussain.
Okay, please, Mr. Anwar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Hi,
salam.
sir. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Sir, I have two questions that to you. I working in the HVAC air conditioning system in engineering company. So I
Okay.
want to know you the any BMS system, huh? Or building automation system, BMS, that is the building management system. Have you any include in the home automation? How is it the connectivity, the home automation between the BMS system? Can
Okay,
you
understood.
clear in my
I
question?
understand your topic. See, the building automation system. In my factory, in essential drugs, we also use BMS system. But it's a complete automation of a building. But what we considering here is a home automation system. That means in a home there is such kind of devices and such kind of furniture. So how can we use and control this kind of furniture and appliances from a remote location? This is our main purpose and main aim. But the BMS system also uh, overly connected here, because if any building is connected to a automated BMS system, then the overall control has been done from a monitoring system. So in from that monitoring system, we can use the HVAC related controlling system or any temperature related controlling system from any from any interface of the of of, of any location of the room. So it is interrelated, but my topic is different. It's completely based on home, its appliances, and in furniture, and not in connected with the BMS system. I think you can
Okay,
get my answer.
okay. Also, I will get your answer. Also, this is the include in the HVAC also a firefighting, right?
HVAC, can you tell me again, please?
Firefighting.
Engineer Nawaz, if you allow me to answer his question.
Okay, please go
Yeah.
ahead.
I think you are working in the HVAC means industry, right? For the air conditioning, right?
Yeah.
If I tell you correctly that the building, it's the building BMS, the building management system. It is
Yeah.
actually the building automation system. So whatever we call it is the same thing. Uh, so the building management system is for the overall building. The building can have the HVAC system, the water supply systems, the
Lift.
firefighting systems, the lighting control systems, and a lot of other stuff, the access
ETP.
control, CCTV. Okay. So what happens, these individual systems are having their own control systems, and all these systems are integrated into a central systems, that is the building management systems.
System.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. I
Uh,
got it. Okay, I
so
got it.
from the HVAC part, I think you have the DDC controllers, which are
Yeah,
controlling. Yeah.
DDC controller.
So
Right.
what happens? The BMS is having a software. This software is controlling the overall building, and this software has certain part for the HVAC. So what happens?
Right.
That part of the software controls the DDC, and through this DDC, it controls the equipments. So how it controls? It takes the input data through the sensors like the thermostats, the room occupancy, the time schedule. Based on this BMS gives the signal through DDC to the HVAC equipments, and that is how it is being controlled. I'm
Thank
not
you,
sure
sir.
I fully answered your question or not.
No. You have fully answered your question. My question. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your support. Thank you.
Any more questions? Any more questions, please?
Okay, I think Engineer Mridul, you can conclude, but before conclude, I just want to take 1 minute. You know that Ramadan is coming, so for BEAWorld, next 5 weeks, there will be no awareness session. Normally, during Ramadan, we are not taking any session. So after Eid, our next session will be after Eid. Today's session is excellent. Thank you very much for your outstanding and hard work, Engineer Newaz. He's a very brilliant and young engineer. We expect that more young engineers, potential engineers, come up and come to the platform, make your presentation. We can share our knowledge. Our today's session was very interactive. So everybody knows actually. Share the knowledge and gain the knowledge. Today, I also know many things from Engineer Newaz, Engineer Ashraf, Engineer Engineer Mridul. Yes, very good. That is practical experience. So this is knowledge sharing. If you increase the knowledge, we can develop our professionalism, we can enhance our competency. So this is our goal, actually, a goal of BEAWorld. So thank you very much for all. So now, Engineer Mridul, you can conclude the session.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to conclusion of this insightful webinar session. On behalf of BEAWorld, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Engineer Abdullah Al Jannath Newaz for sharing his valuable expertise, knowledge, experience, and experience with us today. I would also like to thank all the participants for your active presence, thoughtful questions, and continued support of BEAWorld in BEAWorld. We hope this session has enriched your understanding of a smart home technology and inspired new idea from innovation in your professional journey. Please stay connected with BEAWorld for upcoming session. Until then, thank you once again. Assalamu alaikum and have a wonderful evening. Thank you very much.